Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S2 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So firstly, we have to enter the settings because first of all I will show you how to customize this mode, and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So in the settings, find the display. And on the second position we've got the night light option, so simply enter it, and as you can see, before we will customize it we have to turn it on, so simply tap on this turn on now, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish, a little bit amber, and it is obviously in order to filter the blue light. What's more, you can change the intensity of that feature, so of course it's up to you which option is better. By going to the left you can make it much cooler, to the right much warmer, and probably the intensity will depend based on the dim light around you. We can also, of course, schedule that feature. As you can see, we can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So let me pick, for example, custom time, and now we can choose the start time, and let me pick, for example, I don't know, whatever. Just tap on OK, and the end time, I don't know, something like this. And as you can see, the night light is immediately activated because we are in the middle, just between the start time and end time. But let me turn it off. And so actually this is the whole customization of this feature, and now I will show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and here, as you can see, it automatically took us to the second page and show us the appearing nightlight icon. If for some reason you do not have it right here, no worries, you can do it manually. Just tap on this pencil icon, and after scrolling down you will find it somewhere here, and all you have to do then is tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first panel. Let me get back. Okay, so as you can see, the night light right now is turned on. You can say it because the yellowish color of the screen. Of course, you can turn it off normally just by tapping on it, and the screen turns back to its normal state. So actually that's all. This is how to use, how to customize, and how to turn on the night light in your UMIDIGI S2 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.